If you're looking to grow your small business in 2020, TikTok is the platform you need to leverage. With over 1 billion active users worldwide, TikTok offers a unique opportunity to showcase your products or services to a massive audience. So, how can you use TikTok to boom your small business? Let's dive in. First, create engaging and creative content that resonates with your target audience. Whether it's short tutorials, behind-the-scenes footage, or user-generated content, make sure it's authentic and reflects your brand identity. Next, utilize TikTok's algorithm to your advantage. Use trending songs, challenges, and hashtags to increase your visibility and reach a wider audience. Stay consistent with your posting schedule to maintain engagement and keep your followers coming back for more. Collaborate with influencers and other brands to expand your reach and tap into new markets. Take advantage of TikTok's advertising options to target specific demographics and increase brand awareness. By implementing these TikTok marketing strategies, you can effectively boost your small business in 2025 and beyond. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today and watch your business thrive on TikTok.